One of Canada's largest celebrations of Caribbean food and culture, TD Jerkfest, is celebrating 25 years. Chef Nicole King, the owner of Ms.King's Kitchen, joins us now with more. Nicole, thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having me again.
This is exciting, 25 years.
25 years.
Wow.
This is super exciting for me too, because I've literally been going to Jerkfest since I was a kid as well.
That's incredible. Okay, so that's a really special place in your heart.
Very special.
All right, so you're here, we're talking jerk wings.
We are talking about jerk wings.
Okay,
so
let's get started.
Let's get started. So we are going to make some jerk wings today. And what I'm going to do, I'll season it up because I got the gloves on, and if you can drop me in some seasonings,
okay? Perfect.
So what I always tell people, if you're going to be making jerk wings, you can always buy a store-bought marinade. You don't have to make your own.
Okay.
But you add your own flavors to it. So if you wouldn't mind giving me maybe 2 spoons of that jerk.
Okay, easy enough.
Yeah, perfect.
Actually, I have this in my fridge.
There we go.
Because it's so delicious. Okay.
And then over here we got some all-purpose seasoning.
So just sprinkle all
Yeah, just sprinkle some of that in.
Okay.
Perfect. And then some onion powder.
Okay, easy enough.
Right?
Oof,
A little bit of paprika.
Stunning. For some, is there any spice in here, or is this just the coloring?
This is just the coloring right now, and then also we're just gonna use a little bit of thyme.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use my fun.
Yeah, you just drop it in.
Oh, I'm making a mess. Okay.
So what we're gonna do is go ahead and season this, and then if you drop in a little bit of soy sauce for me, just then, yeah.
Just a little bit. Does this have, like, what is the purpose of the soy sauce?
So the soy sauce just helps deepen some of the flavors for you.
Oh, okay.
And then I always find it always just gives it that extra little You also, when you're adding the soy sauce and the rest of the seasons, you don't need to add any salt.
Oh, okay.
It saves you that salt.
You don't want to add that too much.
And then what we're gonna do now, add a little bit of cornstarch on top, and then that will allow you to bake it in your oven instead of frying it. Or you can even use your air fryer. Let's cut back on some of the carbs with the oil, right?
That's a good tip to have.
Yeah. So, no, that's good actually.
Okay,
no, that's perfect. Because you want to get a nice good coat on it.
Okay. And it kind of, I guess, like sucks up some of the juices there
Exactly.
too. Okay, cool.
And that's what's going to help give it that little crispy coating for you, right? So go get yourself a little rack, and we're just going to lay these out.
That's perfect.
Right?
So you're known to kind of like, you know, make some kind of twists with different flavors.
Exactly.
How does this kind of, you know, embrace that?
So what we're gonna do, we're making some jerk wings, but the sauce we're gonna make, the sauce is going to be a rum honey sauce.
Oh, that sounds
It's definitely gonna be elevating. So if you wouldn't mind just dropping that into the oven for me.
Yep. Throwing that in right now.
Alrighty. And then we are gonna make our way over here, and we're gonna make the sauce.
Okay, easy enough.
Right. So when it comes to the sauce, but can we get back to Jerkfest for one quick second?
Let's go back.
August 7th to 9th.
Yes.
On the 7th, it's starting with just music, but I'm telling you, 4:50, he's gonna blow this stage off, okay? It's gonna be a great, great time. And then Saturday and Sunday, we got one of my favorite artists, is Spice. But I will be under the cultural tent.
Okay.
On the 9th.
Yes.
So the cultural tent is on the 8th and 9th, and we'll be teaching you some of our favorite Jamaican meals.
Oh,
okay?
That's so fun.
So you get to come, you get to learn how to cook it, and also the reason why we also make it too, which I find is always a big plus. So
we have about a minute and a half.
All right. So to get the sauce started really quickly, you're gonna go add some pineapples puree into there.
That's easy enough. Okay.
This is one of my favorite rums. It's a Kraken rum. It has a lot of the same notes that your jerk has in it, like your pimento, the nutmeg, and all those type of seasonings as well. You're gonna go add some pineapple chunks and some honey.
Okay, so you have like the spice from the rum, you got the sweetness.
And a little bit of lime for acidity.
Oh, that's easy. That's so good.
And you're gonna let that simmer on down, okay?
Okay.
Now, because we're cut for time today, I did already have some already for us as I continue building out this sauce. You're gonna wanna add a scoop of jerk seasoning in there as well.
Just a bit.
Just a bit, you don't wanna add too much. And then you're gonna wanna let that simmer for at least 5 to 10 minutes.
Nicole, we only have 30 seconds, but where can people get more information?
More information about Jerkfest, you can find it online at jerkfest.ca, and then also Ms.King's Kitchen, MsKingsKitchen.com.
Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna try a bite of this. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that's delicious.
Right?